We're going to mix up a little bit of epoxy resin. Now we've thickened it up. This will be good for fillets, etc., but it's not that thick. We've just thickened it up that it will stay in its place. We've marked on the timber where we need our glue. Now the good thing with epoxies is that epoxies don't need to be clamped. It can be argued epoxies may be overkill for this specific gluing process. You could just as well, for these 2 foot panels, use a water resistant acrylic glue. Okay, that's that one done. Hold that, hopefully I've got enough for the other panel. Okay guys, what we'll do is then place this back on our pencil lines. You want some of our little panel pins? These panel pins are temporary. We're going to lock them in and pull them out later. Okay, so it's only to locate the timber. Apply a little bit of pressure to make sure we get the glue touching on all surfaces. Push and let the glue come out. Right, and we'll use a scraper to make sure we clean up this edge, because this will be a major issue. If you don't get the epoxy out of that, you're going to have problems. There we go guys, that's spot on. Now we'll do the other one. Okay. So take the leftovers epoxies, put it on here. Panel pin. Okay, you've got that one lined up, Matt? Yep. Good job, mate. Good job, Matt. That's stage 1. Assembling the feet onto the base plate. Right, now we're going to let the epoxy cure. I've also put this piece of timber on our little temporary table, and that just gives us something to hammer up to.